Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. My name is Kanza Bahiyya and I'm from MBS Hapkang. Today, I'm gonna make a video about how to make pancakes. So, without any further ado, let's get started. $120 grams of flour, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, 1/3 cup of sugar, some fresh milk, some oil, some baking powder, and some vanilla extract. Get started. First, we're gonna put the sugar into the bowl. And after that, we put the egg in too. And we stir it together. Okay. Next, after you stir nicely like this, you put the flour together. And you guys have to mix it. After that, we put the milk together. I'm gonna use 120 ml of milk. Put it together. Alright. We mix it together. And next, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm gonna use this kind of spoon. Like that. And this much. Right? And we mix it together, nice and softly. After that, I'm gonna add some baking powder. Just a little bit. Alright. And mix it again. Okay. Done. Next, I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. Mix it again, not much, until it was nice and soft. Okay, when the dough all ready, add some oil. This, that. And stir it. When the dough already ready like this, I'm gonna cook it. So I'm gonna turn on this stove. Okay, so we're gonna cook it with some low heat. So I'm gonna put it in, just like 1 spoon of this. Right? So it's gonna be like this, and you have to wait until the bubble pops out. And if you guys already see the bubbles, that means you guys can flip it. So, see, it's bubbling, and it's time to flip it. Look. So, just make sure it was cooked nicely, and you guys can put whatever topping you like. Okay. Okay, I think it's done, so I'm gonna put it in the plate. Alright, like this. I think I'm gonna make like 3 or 4 pancakes. So, I've already made 4 of pancakes, and next I'm gonna add the topping. So for the topping, you guys can choose whatever you like. And I'm going to choose brown sugar and some milk. I'm gonna put the milk. Alright, that's enough. And I'm gonna put some chocolate right over the top, like this. Okay, I think that's enough. Ta-da! And the pancake is done. Make sure to give it a try. And I think it's done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. 20 cup of. Kenapa cup?
Cocok Mi sendiri.
Nanti muka mau diedit tuh.
Iya.
Udah, berapa banyak?
Anu Mi dulu. Ini terlalu banyak kayak 1 sendok teh.